KSA celebrates 62nd birth anniversary, leaders of all factions commit to continue working for upliftment of education in the Hills districts. Good morning, viewers. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host, Jirpon Kilikpi. And now the news in detail. The Karbi Students Association had on Wednesday celebrated its 62nd birth anniversary, which is marked as Karbi Students' Day. There were several celebration programs held in different places in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. Here is a report from our correspondents. All the 10 branches under the Bukhajan District Committee had hosted the organization's flag to begin the anniversary celebration. In the District Committee's office, President Raju Ingleng and Secretary Chesongkuru Rongpar unfurled the flag. Later in the afternoon, a friendly football match was organized by the Okehai Ketok branch. The Upper Hatoka branch also organized the Foundation Day event, which was attended by local GB, SGB. Several students also attended. Free ration were also distributed during the event. Similar programs were also held in Dilai, Hidipi, Nahorjan and other branches.
Nilutum branch Bukhajan District Committee under Batang de Arlo branch near Cape do la si la branch near Cape Angong Pen dak Okehai branch along a banke lamang thor kondet penapi basapso chingwai chingsai kondet penapi penangan por pot puthot football patu lasami padu ponji lapen ilong abangke sapapani abrang hadak stami lapason nak thaglo lamang thor kondet api aligang sampor phai kithom alomlo tengte hadak volleyball pathuason stami klemponji adang de padopon.
In Dongmukak, the KSA Volongkomaji District Committee organized the birth anniversary celebration at Dongmukak. It was chaired by Volongkomaji District Committee President Birsing Tokbi and Secretary Raju Ronghang and attended by KSA General Secretary Thomson Rongpi as the chief guest along with Sumit Timung in the presence of KNCA Vice President Rekha Terangpi, AIWPA President and several others. During the event, the organization leaders stated that KSA is always committed towards development of education. They also said that KSA will continue to fight for a full-fledged university in Karbi Anglong and also for the implementation of Article 244A.
University of Movement alam nitum chethan bansi nitum University of Banke full-fledged manu nelang so full-fledged kachesong panyi pansi nitum puthot chethan banthulo pen kethenai banke nitum 95 aninkan MOU halaso signatory don long hello nitum kethenai punelo achievement lo pen nitum nonta hemprek ha bang tontelang sikewangjiani penna pen koson atuwar ben se hemprek ha atuwar long damima halaso
tame LP school high school long tame aprang koan makime lasonan ke non ke avidelo lasi lahir phan tame nili tuma bangke non bangka chesong kideng ponjia phan bang pinia mailong cherai pon.
At Diopani, the celebration was held at Arnam Langpi Inglong Chedon, Diliram Terang Playground. Here, the flag was hosted by Arnam Langpi KSA President Anil Sonteron. They also paid tribute to the departed leaders of the association. The organization leaders, along with the guests and local residents present in the program, committed to protect the land of Karbis from encroachment and to motivate the young students of the area to work harder in life.
Ini ladak KSA amhang ketek mate indeng trokebra hini kicok labang so katalonar ni sinili tumba pini ladak kado kawe claim rapet abang kubang pitung penching room si pinili tumda ladak KSA amhang patek talon dunlo
ili tumaya akorte mate non ovegi mi kithur mi akorte tum labang so ke claim pon pini talon pon longlo aso por choro pon lo la salang li tum phan nili ese GB hoi palang litum han kurwang thupi jirlo anso se ki wang thuji alang pini litum along inglong atok anu positame alang litum hoi pen japon si non ovi milo chali bongo somar thum han alang litum ki chali ang dei punon rong chipang thil nei ang dei punon la pen politically pen jitu development fan angale mukha tame kelang chari dunjia fan alang litum han sinili tum ahin pening chi thepon par piklo athelang litum ki claim ki dam non ki dam tang anun herjong lang litum along labang so KSA nang ki sengpon arome nang sengpon sitame alang litum non non hedong bes ta melang itum kisumana kam ki claim pon ki dam pon ki me asi nilining the pon pi alang
At Longnit, the anniversary program was organized by the KSA Dipu Regional Committee. It was held at Planpir Langsos, Pranpri Athoy Playground, 14 kilometers away from Longnit Main Market. Here, the event began with the hoisting of flag by KSA DRC President Liton Singh Timur. It was followed by paying tribute to the departed souls of the deceased leaders, which was led by Secretary Soron Singh Bey. The public meeting held during the day was chaired by President Liton Singh Timur and was attended as a chief guest by KACM Ratan Teron, KSA advisor Bijoy Bey, along with KSA debating secretary George Timur, CEC members Raju Inti, Waisong Bey, and many others. Speaking on the occasion, EM Ratan Teron urged the youths to work hard and focus in their studies. He said that education is the most powerful means to achieve financial stability and overcome poverty. Being a successful politician is not the only means to serve the society, but the youths should come up and prepare themselves for IAS, APS, ACS, and other jobs. Former KSA President and advisor Bijoy Bey said that illiteracy should be removed from the village. All parents must be advised to educate their children, and the KSA, local leaders, and the society as a whole had to play a pivotal role in their journey. Admitting the importance of information technology and internet in the present educational scenario, debating secretary George Timur urged the KSA leaders of Pranpri Langso to take steps and approach the authority to install proper mobile network towers. Bijoy Rongpi from Dilai, Samsing Ingti from Dongmukak, Subhas Terang from Langchiting, and Bikram Kroos report from Difu for Karbi Anglong Live.
Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anam jum hekpen chume sen akhanaan long iji ladak nanglitum Karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long poniji. Kelongjia sonamong laki hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserangahan hipi gipi chutney dumke karlu phag ok kiup phag ok slice fry phag ok kipi phag ok kimung lang ok kiup lang ok fry vo ok kimung vo ok han lapenan parta VIP AC room longponeji. Komania hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai lapen kaprek gacha megalongta nangji pulote long iji. Aprang pen kepathi ke jiaphan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-23986 along humri lote longponichi. Lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangjia par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniglo. Dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmokak Karbi Anglong.
Following the resignation of Niliplam Secretary Roland Inti immediately after issuing show cause notice on 6 points by its chairman Balwan Bak, people of the Nilip constituency are now facing great problems and have stopped getting rice. Niliplam was established with the aim of providing rice to the BPL families, and Roland Inti was appointed as secretary of the society to provide their service to the society. Unfortunately, according to insiders, the lack of good relationship between chairman and secretary affected the society, and some manipulation led the resignation of the secretary. Following this, the Nilip Lambs plunged into a mess. Beneficiaries of Nilip MSC constituency are facing threat of food crisis as rice could not be allotted in absence of secretary. The society then appointed Dilip Singnar as secretary for temporary period, but lack of sincerity among members has now completely halted the Lambs' functioning and all activities. With the aim of ending the crisis affecting the poor people of Nilip area, social worker of the area, Bilison Terang and Sujit Timung convened a meeting inviting several organizations of the area at Nilip Lamb's office. AIKSU CEC General Secretary Istarson Tiso, HPYA CEC Vice President Mensing Teron, and several members of NILIP KSA, ITP KA NILIP Branch, UKYA NILIP Branch, SYC NILIP Branch, CYA and KRAA NILIP Unit attended the meeting, during which the House demanded the NILIP lamps for immediate release of rice that has already been allocated and brought into office under the supervision of its chairman. Further, the House also asked the NILIP lamps for immediate end to their deadlock in the greater interest and welfare of the people of the area.
Namatum, Ajalong Stamilitum Hedi, the President of the Secretary of Puchimata, Clemplum, Ubake, Ajalo John the Tido, Lapan Une, like 7 years come the go. Last Chairman Sarpusami, Amatang Jum decision, the Anone, I tell the members of Comedy. They, that's a long to Naratum Chidon Sarp and Selang the so cosplay Langi, like Arono. Last that power utilization persons in Naima the Chichiangi and Tenta. Lapan that members must have made Jake Chokchi and the Chokchi with Don Kitang, Donangi like Nikumaki. A prank singer, Donala, a turning Yidam Chok, Ela, he choked Chile, Pulella, Bakali, the Langi. Kichokchi Mama Chong Danampo, Chipaki Mampo, that's it. Bagali with a man to formally pen to Pasunanko.
A prang resignation yang si cipidat bote ni lampi ni hanangkat ni lampi bang ki jublo putah ina. La sila so porahut. Secretary resignation cipidat pe na pi bangke chairman si la so lem la so society long bangke ada itu bahari agosta ke lang isi ni hornang ko. Sita la so da itu bangke chairman tapi ni ke claim pe meme dat ajo ni si lampi bangke nang durudlu lasi nona bangke litni puyi bo bangke mo pen secretary ke haida pulo nili phana bangke COVID-19 do to gajok nona mat bangke lems election bangke padulong lidet po lasi cheklo jon pro afisi lem election ke paduji.
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokiola for Karbi Anglong Live. 11 years old Mirdalin Bepi, daughter of Daniel Bay and Renuka NTP of Koilamati Dhaniraminti village, falling under the 25 NILIP MSC constituency, is winning admiration of locals for her weaving skills. She is also a very bright student, which is serving as an encouragement for all the youths of the hill districts of Karbi Anglong. Our correspondent has sent us this special report. Important marks of any tribe and culture is its traditional clothes and other apparel, and the intricate designs and patterns of any tribes or community which contains meaning or mark any occasion are neatly woven in the fabric. And it takes years of immense practice, hard work and dedication in creating these rich traditional apparels, and Mirdalin Bepi is drawing admiration for skills despite being so young. 11 years old, Mirdalin Bepi is a student of class 5 at Koilamati Presbyterian Mission School and has been doing great in her studies, securing first division and distinction at her school exams every year.
Daniel Bay asupi dagwam solo alang li ke pil thak mate karbia pindeng sumpot alang li ke thak pik la alang li karta jum hegla seta melang li ke logisali anatuta class 5 melang Koilamati Presbyterian School long selang lo charli dun nang komento ning kan man si therang thak ke charli kiching 2008 pen
ali kan ner cap
ning kan ner cap taga chok pen sina ke thek di ante labang so ni na lang labang so la kopi phan ho la kopi a idoi te labang ke langpo labang pil ha
la
barlim te labang la thimuchor bang ka la thi ahi te la non nang ondong bang ka harpi te labang ka la non ada labang ka thini te la ke pini ma kupila non nang jibordong ka pini te nang non an pini pak an nang ke thak lo.
She started learning to weave since the age of 8 and have been shown great interest in weaving of traditional clothes. She is being taught and guided by her grandmother, Basapi Kropi, who equally deserves praise for passing down her weaving skills and knowledge. Mirdalin Bepi told Karbi Anglong Live that she could make traditional Karbi bag called jamborong, Karbi women's clothing including pini, pekok and wamkok, beginning from warping till the completion of the entire weaving work single-handedly on her own. Her grandmother further told Karbi Anglong Live that it doesn't take long for her granddaughter to pick up about creating traditional designs, color mixing, and could complete the clothes within a short span of time.
Mirdalin Bepi aphan ke nesi kiphet ke tha kamu nesi kapathek lo nesi kithan lo pilthe pinia hian jaronga hian nesi kithan lo kasi alang tabor ilo non ke thek lo aposi la bangsa ke thek pen ali ko pisi nang tung paklang ni ma la si nang tung phan nang chuneng lo
la mirdalin phanang mentuni han masi la pindeng sopon kithak therang kiran ahai kithan
pining pen an ke ningkan hini lo
kan hini le de
Meanwhile, her parents expressed their happiness over the weaving skills while continuing studies at the local school. Her father said that any help or guidance from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council would be greatly appreciated, and it would only help her contribute towards keeping the traditional identity of the Karbis alive and also secure her life.
Per Tavamkok and Per Jambrong, Mapla, also Piba, La Haisitame, Tapon Bombo. Tabi Heglang Sitame, Alang. Aning reset kita akan berubah ning dog dam gelalo asul sonak hak nan kiwang ilang ansu tami ansu se ke thek mi choje phan mate kado ka we asai long hatami kachira kachitu long hatami kachini jang tum gela sunno se alang pan never sai kimi long jimini putani tum apia po tum kama thadam do
Samsonic Tis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.